Hey, welcome to this short installation video of the app LinkedCamp Action Automation for Workflows. Navigate to App Marketplace, search for the app and click on it. Click on Install and click on Allow and Install. Ignore this pop-up. Once you're done with your installation, reload the page and search for the custom page of the app. Click on it. This interface is going to pop up with all its necessary features, such as documentation, and everything you need to begin your journey is right in here. We have the Smart Queue video and the configuration walkthrough video that is going to guide you on how to get the credentials to set up your app. We have the app set up. Let's walk you through how to connect this app. Click on the Start Setup and you will be required an API key to complete your configuration. Let's head to the account you've created online. Click on your sidebar and click on the account settings. Then you click on integration and click on the API. Copy your API, or you can click on the I view here to view your API. Head back to your account and you paste the API which we copied. Click on complete setup. And your app will be successfully connected. We have a support center where you'll be able to submit a detailed request and schedule a one-on-one video session with our support team. And as well, the Changelog feature that is going to enable you to track all the updates and improvements made on this app. To stay updated, toggle on the email notification button, insert the email and click on subscribe. You've learned how to install and set up your app. Our support team is available for more guides and tips. Thanks for watching.